All right. So on week 4 of the boot camp, we talk about how to get agents to start referring to you that's already referring to another loan officer. So, Steve, when I meet with a listing agent of a deal that I'm doing and I say, hey, I'd like to work with you on your other deals too. And they reply back, well, Carl, you understand, I already have a lender that I use.
Yeah.
Steve, what's the rebuttal for that to help me
Yeah.
close loans?
Hey, Carl, being a great agent like you are, all great agents have great lenders. I'd still love to hear your story and what you're doing to have great success. So the rebuttal is really simple. It's, of course, you've got a great lender you work with. You're a great agent. But what I'd love to do is hear your story and what you're doing to have great success. Because here's the thing, if we try to pitch products and programs in a first call where we're working to even see if there's an alignment, the challenge is we're trying to be better, not different. Everybody's trying to pitch. Carl, we don't want to pitch. Of course, you want to validate. Of course, you got a great lender. You're a great agent. I'd love to hear your story. Matter of fact, Carl, I was looking at your numbers and I noticed you closed 35 buy side transactions. And here's what I thought to myself. I've got to spend a few minutes to hear what you're doing to have such great success because you're literally in the top 4% of all agents across the United States. So we're not trying to be better or pitch a product. It's about relationship, hearing their story. And you know what's really cool about this? And it's a sneaky little trick is we're honoring them, Carl. How many times does an agent actually get honored and recognized for the numbers and the hard work they're putting in? And that's a real easy way to get past the I already work with another lender.
So it's strictly, I think you're awesome.
That's
I'd like
it.
I'd like to do a Zoom meeting, or I'd like to treat you to a cup of coffee, or I'd like to treat you to
Yep.
lunch so I can
Yep.
hear more about how awesome you are.
That's it. Super simple framework and in understanding that all you're doing, look for a rebuttal is I just want the person to walk to the next door and walk through the next door, next door. And so it just gives you another opportunity to still meet with them.
Yeah, I like this one. Because you made the point that 100% of these successful real estate agents,
Mhm.
they do by definition already have somebody they're referring to, and learning how to convert those over so they're starting to refer to you as you're watching this today or listening to this today, is a really big deal. I saw a recent stat. It said of the top producing loan officers, right? These are
Yeah.
the top originators.
Yeah.
65% get most of their business from real estate agents.
Hmm.
30% from their past database and only 5% from other. And so real estate agents and past database is a real big deal. And that's why on week 6 of the, I believe it's week 6 of the boot camp, we talk about converting these agents to start referring over to you
That's
and
right.
thing that we want you to learn. So really, really, really big deal. So one thing I thought of, at least they're being honest, right? Because all of them have another lender, but they didn't start off their career by referring to that lender, referring to that lender. They were referring to somebody else, and then they were converted to that lender, and now it's
That's
time
right.
to get converted to you. Hey,
That's
we'd
right.
like to help you do that on the boot camp. Somewhere on here on this page, there's a link to get more information about the boot camp. Would love to talk to you about that and see if it's a good fit for you. So I think that's it. Thanks, Steve.
That's it. All right. See you.